Hi, this is Trisha from Lemon Paper Lab. In this video, I want to introduce you to my product called Digital Paper Lab that you can use to create digital paper packs in Photoshop. With Digital Paper Lab, you will get access to 11 Photoshop templates that you can use to create 20 digital paper packs. With these digital templates, you can easily customize the colors and select new colors to customize your template. With Digital Paper Lab, you will also get access to 50 Photoshop patterns that you can use with your templates. Included with Digital Paper Lab are 11 different Photoshop templates. These are all designed to use with 20 digital papers. For this template, you can use one pattern with 10 colors where you get the color and the inverse. Similar, this one is the color and black. For this one, it's designed to use with 10 colors, to use the color with white and then the two-tone version. For this template, it's designed to use with one pattern and 10 colors, where half of it uses 100% opacity and then you get more of a pastel effect at 50% opacity. This template is designed to use with 20 patterns using one color in white. This template is used for a color and a black. This template is designed to work with 20 patterns using one color to create a two-toned effect. This template is designed to work with 20 patterns using two colors. This template is designed to work with 20 patterns, creating this color variety just from one color. This template is designed with 20 patterns using a two-color variety, which makes use of different opacities of the color to create a dynamic look to your digital paper pack. This template is designed to work with 4 different colors. In this case, you can select the secondary colors in addition to the primary colors. Also in Digital Paper Lab, you'll get access to a Photoshop template that is designed to help you create listing photos for your images. With this template, you can easily update your pattern here, and then when you go to save it, it will be updated within the listing image, and because it uses smart objects, it will also update this listing photo as well. With this template, all you need to do is just add your logo and customize it to your branding. With Digital Paper Lab, you'll also get access to a video explaining how to use your templates. These digital paper templates are available for purchase in my Etsy shop. I will leave a link in the description below where you can check it out. These templates will help speed up the time it takes to create your own digital paper packs. Thank you for watching this video. This is Trisha from Lemon Paper Lab. See you next time.